What's up guys, welcome to Tommy Unboxing Review. Today I'm going to show you the GD Power's new charger. Now it's called the C6D Pro. Now let's unbox it. Look, these big chargers, 2 channels, max to 6S levels, and here you can see there is a fan on the top of the chargers. This is AC wires and manuals. Now that's all about it. I see some new functions in these chargers. For example, you can use app on your phones just like other smart chargers. And it has a servo test function, a motor run function, and tire warmer mechanism, and IR test, and digital power, and so on. A lot of functions for this charger. So this is not only charger. This is tools or some test tools. And by the way, this charger in AC mode, the max wattage is 100, but in DC mode, the max wattage is 300. So it's not it didn't supply much more powers, but it has a lot of functions. Now let's compare to the hottest D6 Plus. Here you can see the D6 Plus is much bigger than the C6D Pro. So the voltage is also big. Now let's see the screens here. This is the LiPo mode. This charge, update, store, repair, balance, discharging. So again, I will choose charge mode, and we can set the ampere. And this is a 4S batteries. LiPo. And we confirm. Now it is working. 4S. Now the ampere is going 65 amperes for the 4S battery with the AC mode. Now this is max voltage, 100 wattage. Now this is stop, and you can even use the phones. I made a mistake for the 4 more videos. Sorry, this is only 1 channel chargers. Now this is for the DC input, and this tab is for the servo test. And the C6D Pro has other extended functions. The tire warmers, the PWM in and out. It can test the servos. And the motor ROM, it can test the 2-phase motors. And this is, it can made for DC powers. And the max wattage is 300. So cool. Now let's see some other functions. And it can test the LiPo's inter residence. Now let's test these batteries made by myself. Okay, here you can see this is a 4S. The total is 29 million ohms. Now you can see this is the 4 cells internal resistance. By the way, this can even charge the DJI Phantom's batteries. So cool. Now thanks for watching. Please make comments down below, and I will see you next time. Bye.